Cam Fam, welcome back to the channel. Today is the start of our Milan vlog. I think we're gonna be doing I think we'll be doing multiple vlogs while we're here in Milan. But before I share with you today's agenda, please make sure you already subscribed and you clicked on that bell button so you're always notified whenever new videos like this one. Okay, so we ran into a speed bump because a slight speed bump. Because prior to coming here, we actually were already looking at the requirements for travel here in Italy. And I was told that we needed a green pass of some sort or an EU digital COVID certificate. And so I was busy doing stuff. So I told Yoni, like, can you help me? Can you at least try to check the requirements? How do we get this? Blah, blah, blah. And he was reading, and then it was just for Italian residents. And then the EU digital COVID certificate naman is only if you're vaccinated in EU, and we weren't. He said that, but he read somewhere that you can just show like an equivalent certificate. So we were thinking that, you know, having a World Health Organization COVID vaccine passport is good enough because that's the most international you can get. But apparently it's not. So now that we're already here and I've already got events and presentations lined up, I need to go get a green pass right away. And even if we're not going to any of these shows, if we want to go inside stores, malls, museums, restaurants, anything indoors basically, we still need to show a green pass. Fortunately, we can go get it by testing negative. So there's a pharmacy that's super duper close to where we're staying and they're doing it as well. So we just got our swab test super quick. In a few minutes, they gave us our COVID green pass, which is only valid for 48 hours because that's how long it's gonna stay valid if you just do the test. So we have to keep doing it for 48 hours, but that's better than staying outdoors.
So you can do either PCR or antigen, but because it's only valid for 48 hours, it doesn't make any sense to do PCR because it's gonna be expensive. So antigen at the pharmacy.
And so now we're off to have our lunch before my first presentation of the day, which is my only presentation of the day, which is Furla. And then I'm gonna have an event also tonight with Todd's naman. So yeah, as I told you guys in the previous vlog, I don't really have much prepared for this. So I'm winging it. All my outfits are being winged. So along the way, I'll probably also just shop for accessories that I feel like I would need. But we are in Milan after all. Lots of shopping here, so no problem. Very sad about mine. I'm so hungry. This is our first meal of the day at 1:40 p.m.
You have to order another one.
I have to. Okay, so we just finished having lunch. We're now headed to the Furla presentation. It's super duper close by, so we're just chilling like a villain.
What did you find?
Shoes for my outfit on Thursday. Woohoo! Okay, so I ended day one very abruptly. I told you guys that I had an event pa at night, but I ended up not going because I figured out it's cocktail pala and I didn't have any cocktail. I didn't notice the attire. So then I was also really tired, so I just decided to cut the day shorter and just chill with the fam. So today is day 2 here in Milan. What are we gonna do, Hugs?
Eat.
Gonna eat and
Shop. Apparently.
2 of my favorite things in the world. We finally found a restaurant restaurant at 4 p.m. that's still serving lunch. We took it very easy today. We're only having our first meal at 4 p.m. I am slowly dying. But yeah, all the restaurants' kitchens are already closed. Buti na lang we found this one. Sienna, however, doesn't have that problem. The restaurant is always open for her. So yeah, here we are, waiting for our food. I'm dying. Mama's done eating. Daddy's done eating. You're also done eating. Are you ready? Ready? Ready to go? Ready to go drink cheese? What do you want to shop? Shopping!
Ma'am, we're back here
Yes.
at the shopping street.
Yes. From yesterday, we're also here.
Yeah.
We already
So,
finished Bottega Veneta.
so what are your goals
And
in life?
I have the slides that I've been eyeing from Hermes, so I want to check that out.
And then,
Maybe Dior. Hopefully there's Marni here too, because I want to check out some shoes from Marni as well.
and then
We've already checked out Jill Sander, which I love.
you just came from Bottega.
Yeah, and reserved something just to see if I like. I also want to go to Chanel. We go to Chanel here. It was the Chanel that we went to. Same one. Aui. That was full of basic Chanel, so I don't like it.
Wow. Third store that's charm.
Let's go.
Do we go back to Bottega for your reserved
I
item?
don't know actually. I'll think about it still.
You have 100 meters to think about it.
Yeah.
So, what took you forever? Took you so
I
long?
was thorough.
Took you
But
all
there
night?
was also some random guy that stopped me and took a photo of my shoes. He said, "Excuse me, is this from here?" I said, "No, it's from Jill Sander." And he goes, "Okay," takes photo again, and then goes away and then comes back. "Excuse me," like took another angle. I think he's like scouting for his wife or something.
Okay.
It's so funny. And then the sales lady was saying, "Oh, you can now be a good model." And I said, "Yeah, good model for shoes."
Not even a feet model, a shoe model.
Shoe model.
Enclosed shoes. But wait a second. You distracted me with this story. What took you so long? What took you
I
all?
didn't know it was so long because everyone was so busy and it took me so long to look for this beautiful item.
I was scouting you from the window and I saw you already paid. And still, it took at least 20 minutes.
Yeah, because they had to wrap this up. Beautiful service.
I see. Okay. Another.
Essentials. They're not of the whim.
Was the Dior
Essentials.
girl there as well?
What do you mean? No, it's I needed this because I ran out of foundation and ran out of oil film, and I'm an oily tita, so they're essentials, Hopsies.
Did you choose the oil film for a long time?
My God, they don't have the cheap oil film that I usually want. They only have Shiseido, 28 euros for 100 sheets.
Use it wisely.
I'll use one half, another half. Okay, we're now home. I've already done Sienna's night routine, and then Yoni is now taking over, putting her to sleep. While Sienna is put to sleep, I will be showing you what I've shopped so far in the 2 days that we're here. I think I've been a pretty smart shopper. I think I know what I'm really looking for. I mean, 2 years ba naman tayong tumitingin lang sa Instagram and lusting over all these things that we see online. So I already have an idea of what it is I'm really looking for. So let's start off with this one na lang not first, because this one's already open. So, I really wanted to buy a pair of shoes from Jill Sander. Actually, ang dami kong gusto from Jill Sander. So, I walked into the store and found this pair that I feel will look really, really good with all my new outfits. It's something that I feel is super trendy and will really elevate my looks. So, it is this, an empty shoe. Just kidding. It's because I already wore the shoes. Ta-da! Wore it today. So it's really cute. So it comes in this white, and also I saw one in black color, and it's strapped on like this. It's got 2 buckles on both sides. I really love this. I feel like it makes all the looks edgier and very street style aesthetic. Problem is I've only worn it now and I've already scratched them. But you know what? I always believe that, shoes are made to be worn. They're not supposed to be always in pristine condition. I mean, all these things, you buy them because you want to use them, not because you want to display them. Well, unless, of course, if it's a collectible sneaker or something. I understand sneakerheads. But yeah, it's already damaged from the first day of wearing them. But maybe I could still... Oh, so about this? I think they're wipeable. They're all wipeable, so I'll wipe them in a bit, sis. And then the next item I'm going to show you is this one from Bottega Veneta. Originally, when I went inside the store, I was looking for this green color, which is so in right now, and it's very Bottega Veneta. And I wanted to buy the Jodie, the small bag, but in green. But then it's apparently sold out everywhere already. It's impossible to find it. And they only had neutral colors, which I'm still honestly thinking about if I'll get or not. But while I'm thinking about that, I decided to go ahead and buy this one instead. It was a super quick decision because I've always wanted this bag. And then I saw this color and I feel like, oh my god, such a special color I need to have. So it's this one. Dun, 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 dun. So pretty. It's in this lime green color. The clutch with this chain. You can carry it like this, or you can carry it like this. So yeah. Honestly, all of Bottega Veneta's bags right now are so nice. So I feel like I really practiced a good amount of restraint right there that I came out with just one bag. Next is... For now, yeah. I reserved something, but we're still thinking about it. Pops, can you stop bashing me? Anyway. And then here we've got something from Dior. Originally, when I went inside Dior, actually, I wasn't looking for anything in particular. I knew that I wanted accessories, not like huge accessories like bag or shoes. I knew that I wanted something like a hat or a scarf or something. So I went in and found this beautiful hat that I feel like I will be wearing a lot, especially for like fashion week or like events and stuff like that. And I feel like it's gonna be a collectible, at least for me. This. Ta-da! Isn't it so pretty? It's one of their new collections. It's from Summer 2021 collection. Originally, I wanted like a bigger size, but I showed Yoni through the window because he was just waiting outside. I showed him through the window and he said, no, it's actually not bad. It's not so small. It's just right fit. So I'll show you how it looks. So you're supposed to wear it to the side. Para kunyari effortless lang. Isn't it so cute? Hubs. Yeah. It's so cute. I was choosing between this or the neutral beige color, but actually, it's more or less sure na that I wanted this one. And then I showed the hub and was like, yeah, of course you get that one, not the basic beige color. Yeah, it's so cute. One more time. Un baguette, s'il vous plaît. Merci. Okay, and then, last but not the least, this one I didn't purchase. It was gifted to me by Sergio Rossi, which is also available in the Philippines via Rustans. So they sent me this because I'll be attending their presentation tomorrow or like the day after, I can't remember. But yeah, I have to check my schedule. But here we have a card from Sergio Rossi. Dear Camille, we can't wait to meet you tomorrow. Enjoy. Oh, it's tomorrow. Dear Camille, we can't wait to meet you tomorrow. Enjoy your new hashtag Sergio Rossi, Marta, and Jennifer. Yeah. The hubs is staring intently. Ta-da! Beautiful purple. It goes so well with my Balenciagas. My gosh, it's like the exact same shade as the Balenciaga pants that I brought with me. Maybe I'd wear it tomorrow with this hat. So yeah, this is the pair of shoes that they sent me. It's so pretty, right? It's a nice purple
Do you
shade.
still know how to wear heels?
No. That's why I have the stroller. The stroller is my modern day mama shoe support system. Oh, diba? Heel support system. So there you go. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Sir Rossi and Restance. So we ended on a high note, a super duper high note. I'm so happy that I finally got to shop in a physical store. And I can't believe it's been this long. And to be fair, kahit na it's been this long, restraint.
We are 2 days in.
2 days in, but how many shops did we go into? Megatron. Anyway, for us CamFam, hashtag CamFam, to all the positive people out there who are not Megatrons like Johnnyverse, please make sure to leave a comment below and give me a thumbs up, and see you guys on the next vlog. Positive vibes only. Goodbye, Megatrons.
Bye.
You really said goodbye. Aminado siya.